Here's a Minecraft 1.21 duplication glitch for Java multiplayer. This uses a display case plugin. So first thing we want to do is put it down. Then we can take an item and put it inside. Once this is done, you will open it with your alt or your friend. Then you can take the item out of your GUI. Once this is done, your partner or your alt can also take the item out of the GUI. A form of this duplication glitch worked on Hypixel. Instead of doing it slowly, they did it at the exact same time, and when they did it at the exact same time, then it duplicated. So now the items are stacked, and when the items are stacked, this still works. This process still works exact same. That is a Minecraft 1.21 duplication glitch for Java multiplayer. If you did learn a little bit more about duping, consider subscribing because I post weekly duping videos.